Good afternoon everyone. Today me Parag is going to give a presentation on topic dams, advantages and disadvantages. First, let me tell you what are dams. Actually, dams are a barrier constructed to hold back water and raise its level, forming a reservoir used to generate electricity or as a water supply. Now, let's proceed with advantages first. Dams help in flood control. Now, due to flood, there is a huge loss of property and livelihood of many people, enabling them to struggle for their survival. Then, how dam control flood? Let me tell you. Dams regulate the flow of water in river, thus preventing its overflow, and flood conditions are abstained. It also helps in irrigation. There is a need to improvise our methods of irrigation, so large proportion of farmers depend upon monsoon to irrigate their fields, which can lead to decrease in amount of yield in adverse conditions. So how does dam solve these problems? As we all know, dam stores water for future use. Farmer can use this to irrigate their fields. Its main function is electricity generation. A hydroelectric dam converts the potential energy stored in the water reservoir behind the dam to mechanical energy. When water is released through the dam, it spins a turbine connected to hydroelectric generator. The turbine converts the kinetic energy of falling water into mechanical energy. Then the hydroelectric generator converts the mechanical energy from the turbine into electrical energy. The water returns to the river on the downstream side of the dam. Moving further, let's talk about disadvantages. Construction of dam is very expensive. Dams tend to be extremely expensive to build, and when a decision is taken to build one anyway, it must adhere to a very high standard, thus require huge amount of money. After this, let's talk about relocation. People living in villages and towns that are in valley that could be flooded must move out. Hence, they lose their farms and businesses. In some countries, people are forcibly removed so that hydropower plant construction can go ahead. This happens to be an ethical concern. It leads to natural calamities also. The building of large dams can cause serious changes to Earth's surface and lead to geological damage. It can trigger frequent earthquakes. However, modern planning and designs of dams have reduced the possibility of occurrence of certain disasters, but there is a risk always. Let me conclude all the advantages and disadvantages in just 2 minutes. We came to know that dams help in flood control, it also helps in irrigation, and its main function is electricity generation. And disadvantages: construction of dam is very expensive. Relocation results in very much trouble to local people. Natural calamities are more common due to construction of dam. At last, I would like to thank you all for giving me your precious time. Thank you. Stay happy and stay healthy.